Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, Associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you central government's submission on no separate reservation for transgender persons in education employment before Supreme Court of India. Let's start the discussion. That's a very interesting discussion for us to understand. So let's start the discussion without any delay. So the central government has informed the Supreme Court of India that reservation benefits can be availed by transgender persons only if they fall under existing categories of reservation. The submission was made on affidavit which was filed in response to a contempt of court petition for non-compliance with the Supreme Court's directions in the case of National Legal Services Authority or NALSA versus Union of India. The central government has effectively submitted that there is no separate reservation being provided for transgender persons in education or employment. They can avail the reservation benefits if they belong to scheduled castes, SC, STs, socially and economically backward classes or SCBC, or economically weaker sections or EWS. The central government has said that in this case, and the benefits of reservation in matters of direct recruitment in central government services and in admission to central government higher education institutions are as follows. SCs are 15%, STs are 7.5%, socially and economically backward classes are 27%, and EWS category falls under 10% of the reservation. In this regard, it is respectfully submitted that the benefits of any of the reservation, including the above four reservations, can be availed by the marginalized and eligible population of the country, including transgender persons. The affidavit in this case stated. In NALSA versus Union of India, the Supreme Court had directed the central government and state governments to treat transgender persons as socially and economically backward classes of citizens and extended to them reservation benefits in educational institutions and public appointments. So that's all about our discussion. See you on the next video with some more information like this.